Are you ready to wake up to sparkling lake views every morning? How about relaxing poolside with the feet kicked back and the sun shining? Then you have to check out Artistry, Sarasota's newest active adult community. Artistry is a new resort-style, single-family home community here in the heart of the Gulf Coast. With a blend of urban and rural elements on the Gulf Coast, Artistry has brought together the perfect blend of lifestyle. The community clubhouse features a fitness center, outdoor pool, sports court, and even a kids' playground. With more than 100 acres of lakes, Artistry is laid out so nearly all the homes offer water views. Embrace a healthy living lifestyle with an on-site fitness center, yoga and aerobics studio, or even take a stroll through 12 miles of beautifully cared for trails and natural preserves. The Lakeside Clubhouse offers plenty of amenities, including a resort-style pool with beach entry, outdoor gathering areas, community room, multi-purpose sports court, and even a tot-lot. Looking for a lifestyle outside the community? Artistry has you covered. With being centrally located in Sarasota near a variety of recreational opportunities, including boating, fishing, kayaking, golf, and so much more. How about shopping? Shops, restaurants, and even the arts district are just a short trip down the road. HOA fees will range depending on the section from $320 to $375 a month. And guess what? No CDD fees. Homes will range from 1,900 square feet all the way up to 4,100 square feet with their estate models. We hope you found this video valuable. We're so excited to help you find your dream home here on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida. Subscribe to our page on YouTube and give us a call today. It's our mission to show you what it's like to live, work, and play here in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. Our agents are excited to get to work for you.